Alright, welcome back, y'all. So, it's time to freshen this car up just a little bit. It's gonna be a low effort video today, but I've been wanting to make it look better, and you can see there's a couple Bondo marks there, but I haven't had much nice weather other than today, and it's gonna get cold again soon, so I'm just gonna give it a quick spray. Is that how you feel? Hey Chase. I'm just gonna give it a quick spray. So I got some flat black turbo cans, so we're gonna do like a hot rod black deal. I'm just gonna scuff it up real quick and spray it, and later on I'll go back and fix some of the dents and all that stuff. Like there's a couple, well there's a handful, but I'm just gonna scuff it today and spray it real quick, make it all one color. I mean, I'm gonna get some of that flexible Bondo and try to fix these things, but I mean, there's only so much I can do to it. It's not gonna look great overall anyways. But yeah, we're gonna hit it with some turbo paint again today. All right, like I said, low effort, taped up, wiped it with acetone real quick, and when this fucking wind quits, well, I'm gonna have to spray and then stop and then spray in between the wind. Hopefully it doesn't blow all my shit off like it's been doing. But anyways, and I got some new headlight covers up here. I'll spray those, put them on later. Well, hopefully the wind stays down long enough for me to shoot this. Like I said, I just want to make it all one color again. And I will probably just I'll probably record a little while I'm spraying and then just finish it up and show you what it looks like afterwards. There's not much to it. Here we go. Flat black turbo cans. I put these in a pot of hot water for a hot minute and get them nice and warm. I'm gonna shake the fuck out of them and we'll get to spraying. You see that wide tip on there? If you've never seen a turbo can, you're about to see the spray that this thing does. Yeah, it's about to be a pain in the ass. That wind is being a bitch, but I'm not gonna record this whole thing because this is gonna be me making one spray. You hear it? It's just waiting for me. It's gonna be making one swipe and then waiting a minute to spray again. But in a second, I'll show you how well this paints or sprays. Let's test it on here. Oh yeah. Just gonna. That wind's fucking with it already. I'm gonna have to get close. Oh, a leaf. You know, that's great. That always helps. So it's hard getting that mirror. But yeah, that's the gist of it. Let me do this off camera. Hold on. Yeah, this is absolutely terrible to try and do right now, but it's flattened over already, and I'm down to my last can. I feel like I remember this stuff going a lot farther than it is now. Luckily, I got 3 cans. Normally, I could do it in 2 and just a little bit to touch up with, which I don't know. I guess that's what I'm doing now, but I feel like I got 2 coats on it before with 2 cans. I don't know, but I'm gonna let it flat up and use this last one very conservatively to make sure there's not any spots I missed. I got a hell of a nasty run right here. Whoops. I don't know if it was already there or not. I don't think so, but I'm not sure. I just kind of spray painted those fenders real quick, so who knows what it actually looked like before. Some spots I should have sanded a little better, but you know what? Like I said, it's just gonna be one color for now until one day we can try to learn how to do this shit the right way. Well, it ain't too bad. Doesn't look bad this way, but I can see stripes on the hood that way. Of course, the hood has a wrap on it. This came off of Andrew's old turbo Miata. My friend Andrew that has the gray LS Miata now, the NB, but he had an NA that was turboed, and this is his old hood he gave to me when I blew that one up over there. So but yeah, it's wrapped, and I just painted over it. So I don't know. I think that was from where I just wiped it down. Hopefully, it is what it is. But I mean, it doesn't look horrible. I see some swipes. Hopefully, it's just still drying. It hadn't been but maybe 20 minutes. But let's see. I think I can start pulling stuff off now. But you know, it is what it is. And it looks better than it did, which is always the goal with this car. So I'm gonna pull everything off and we'll see how it looks in. Not too bad. It's one color at least. That's all I'm really worried about. It's just got all them stripe marks from where I cleaned it with the acetone. It's kind of gay, but it still looks better. Hopefully it'll fade out.
Oh my gosh, that's that turboed Miata.
Well, overall, the flat black turbo paint lays down a lot better. Really don't even see any orange peel. Obviously, the body's not perfect to begin with, but it comes out pretty smooth. And it's dirty right now. It's a little while later. But I tried to redo the hood because there were streaks and stuff in it because of how windy it was when I was painting. But it was way windier when I tried to redo the hood. So there's some spots in there. You can't really see them too bad right now, but I'm going to go over it again. My buddy told me that the streaks in the flat, because I didn't realize how hard it is to lay flat black. He said to take a sponge and some Ajax and it'll take it out. So I'm going to try that too, see how it goes. But, hey, car looks a lot better than it did. And stay tuned, because next video you'll see next week will be me at the drag strip. It's back open now, so we're going to have some more fun and exciting stuff happen. So as always, appreciate you watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you in the next one. Later, y'all.